Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our 2021 Aviara 36. Beautiful boat here. Starting up at the bow, this does have a windlass and a stainless steel anchor, as well as docking lights. It's got a beautiful white hull in light gray in the center of the hull here. Nice big tower up top. And here at the transom, you can see it does have some sea decking here. This does have underwater lights, trim tabs, and 2 twin stern drives by Elmore. 83 horsepower. Plenty of power on this boat. Let's go up top and check out the interior. Welcome inside this 2021 Aviara 36. As you can see here, nice big area here on the stern. You do have a remote here to control the volume. Stainless cup holders on either side, and then I have these seats in the up position here. Turns into a bar stool, stadium seating here if you're anchored away to hang out with your family and friends and to enjoy the water, your time out in the water. As you walk in, nice big entryway into the boat. You do have a area here for a self-draining cooler, and this boat does have a grill on it. Got 2 refrigerators. A nice big area. Plenty of seating around for your friends and family, and storage underneath all the seats. Nice design that I like that Aviara does is this upholstery here with the stitching. Over here on the port side, we do have a bench seating that reverses forward and backwards. Nice big area up here at the helm. Got spot here for a couple to sit with 2 bolster seats. This does have the digital throttle and your 3 display screens here for all your engine vitals and your chart plotting. Everything accessible up at the helm. Down below, a nice area there as well as a head. Good way to get out of the sun and hang out on those warm summer days. And then big windshield up here. Closes, and we do have a door here to block out some of that cold wind on those cold mornings here in Minnesota. And then up in the bow, great entertainment space up here. We have the take table up here. You can also take this off and add in a bow filler cushion. This is located at our store in Rogers. Make an appointment, give us a call, email, walk in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.